Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. A couple of days ago I was browsing the web and I came across with this cool image from a Sega Dreamcast custom with the Sonic theme on it. After a little investigation I found a magazine article with a kind of prize draw offering a Dreamcast autographed to celebrate the 10th anniversary of the Sonic. As far as I know, only 50 of them was produced, but the part I like the most is the controller. So I decided to make my own Sonic 10th anniversary controller. I have this mint condition controller sitting around and I think this is a perfect candidate for a quick and simple customization. So, as always, have a seat, relax, and join me in another project. Stick around. First, obviously, we're gonna need to disassemble the controller, so let's start. After all done and after a quick scuff, let's quickly paint the centerpiece of the controller in Sonic Blue. Right after and while the paint's still dry, we're gonna need to make the center Sonic logo to cut later in vinyl. After a couple minutes, we are ready to cut it. I only cut the Sonic itself and the Sonic letters because my machine can't cut small letters. And I also decided to add a 10 years logo on the side too. After that, we're gonna give a quick clean to the internals. I also decided to paint the D-pad, the joystick and the start button, and also gave them a couple coats of clear. And with that done, it's time to reassemble this controller again. And this is it. The Sonic Controller is ready. Now all we need to do is connect it to my custom Sega Dreamcast and play some games. Unfortunately, I don't have Sonic to play, so we're gonna play Sega Rally. And that's all for today. A simple custom with a clean result. I hope you enjoy another simple project. If you want to see more, please consider subscribe, leave a like, comment and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.